Okay, so today we will be experimenting with smoke bombs. And remember, this is just experimenting. I don't have any amazingly planned out scientific methods to make smoke bombs. I'm just winging it, I guess. Okay, so we have basic alcohol, 70%. You can do 91%. I don't think it matters that much. They're both flammable. That's all that's important. A ping pong ball. I've seen other videos where they use ping pong balls to make smoke bombs. And then a Nerf dart, because these smoke a lot. I also have a paper towel and some cardboard. Let's get to work. Okay, first cut up your ping pong ball into little bits like this. They also go flying, so you want to make sure you have like something like a paper towel under them to catch all the bits. Maybe first cut it up in half like this, and then work from there. Okay, so now that we have our ping pong ball shavings, shavings, let's start with our Nerf darts, see how that goes. Actually, first you want to just make a vertical incision like that. If you want, you can use the top part. I am. But first, I'm going to cut them up like this so you have quite a bit, nice and small. Make them pretty thin. I feel like we're making food. Actually, I'm not going to put the orange part in. Oh gosh, my scissors are stuck. There we go, okay. Blue one's done. Let's just add the red one. I'm sure it's the same thing, but why not? Remember, I'm just experimenting, so if this doesn't go well, I will do another video in the future. This feels like I'm cooking. Okay, that's good enough. Get all of that, all of those shavings in there, all of those cuts in there. Okay, now we have some cardboard. This does a lot of smoking once it's extinguished, so let's cut this up. That was a little bit too small. We can make them a little bit bigger, but we're only going to use about half of this anyway, so. Oh. Someone just started the car. Okay. Extremely loud car. That's nice. Okay. I'll probably cut the audio out of this one. I probably won't, but okay. Okay, now that we've cut everything up, let's just cut this part, like the edge of the paper towel, to make a little fuse. And I don't have any like proper fuses. Roll that up a little bit like this. Twist it up just a little bit, yeah. If you want, you can dip the end in alcohol, but I'm not going to. It's a pretty short fuse, it's a nice fuse. Just put that over here. Okay, now that we have all our cuttings over here, let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it all up like this. And then you have to sort of ball it up in your hand. Really easy to do. There's really no finesse or technique to this. I probably should have got some more paper towel. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I got some more paper towel. This time I'm gonna put a little bit more technique into it. Ball it up like that. I'm not actually gonna use the fuse I have because this sort of creates its own fuse like this. It's like one of those snap-its you see like at Tom Thumb or like grocery stores on 4th of July and stuff. Looks something like this, except a lot smaller, like this size. They make a lot of noise. Don't know if you've ever seen those, but okay, so this is what it basically looks like. And I'm gonna cut something off of the fuse. Just a little bit, because it's gonna be a huge flame. Just show you that, yeah. Okay, I don't think that'll make much of a difference, but that's okay. And I'm just going to dip part, or just like pour just the tiniest bit of water on there. Just drizzle it on there, like this. Maybe add some steam to it. And this is so it doesn't go up the second I light it. Okay. Oh yeah, and I don't think we really need the alcohol, but I'm just going to add a little dab. Just to some parts of the center, like this. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna cork that, there's still a little bit left. Okay. Now I'm gonna get some bricks so we can light this thing. Okay, so if you're going to try this experiment for yourself, don't be stupid like me and put actual water in it, like small dabs of water in it. Do not do that. And add more alcohol. Just like dump it on there, yeah. Okay, it's really soaked now. Now let's light it. Let's hope this works. So far, basically no smoke. Okay, it's up. Yeah, you guys can see that fine. Okay, that's good. It's a pretty big flame. Hopefully that'll work. It's still going. It looks pretty. Looks like it's starting to melt slightly on the edge. Yeah, I can definitely see some meltage there. Don't know if that's a word. Maybe that's some ping pong balls, but ping pong balls actually go really fast. They're actually kind of fun to watch, and they get reduced to almost nothing. Put this. Okay, sorry this was kind of boring, but I will definitely have a new and improved video on this because this did not work at all. Okay, so yeah, remember I was just winging this, and I will have a new video on this soon because this did not work. So bye. Okay, so guys, I know I said I'd end it there, but it's actually been burning for a while, and it just started smoking a little bit. Not that much, but I think the ping pong balls caught fire. So that's interesting. Yeah, the ping pong balls caught fire, I think. Some of them at least. The shavings. Yeah, it ended now. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna keep on watching it until it ends or puts itself out. So it just went out, and when it does go out, it does make a lot of smoke. I know I've like pretended to end the video a lot of times now, but there's a lot of updates, so yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.